Hey guys, we have many video talk about the charger. So let me show again. This is the most common charger, 5 watt. Okay, 5 watt. 5 watt with a USB and Lightning. The most common one, I would say. Okay, this one is the Lightning. Okay, all the iPhone devices, iPhone 5, iPad mini, all use Lightning. Of course, before that, iPhone 4S or 3GS, another generation, they use the big head. Okay, I never show here the big head one. So we talk about the latest or the common one. This one is still common one. Okay, so either iPhone, iPad, or can use this. Okay, so previously I also show you this another one. This one is the iPad mini. Sorry, it's iPad third generation. Okay, so this one is the adapter. Cable same, USB and the Lightning same. Same USB, Lightning, same thing. Alright, same thing. So this one is the 10 watt. Yeah, I remember it's the 10 watt. Okay. Yeah, USB powder adapter 10 watt. Okay. So I think in my previous video I also show this 20 watt USB-C powder adapter. Okay, this one you have to buy another 99 ringgit. I think I showed before, now I show again. So this one is the totally new device. You can see, totally new. So let's open it. Totally new device, right? Not the old one. You can see. Come on, you see. One booklet, two booklet. Alright. So you can see. So let's go to quick one. This manual to charge Apple Watch, iPhone, iPad. Yeah, here is the specification for model. Alright. Okay, so I think it's quite common, and this one also offer you 1 year warranty. Okay, in previous video we showed before this, so I want to show again. This one is the new one. Okay, new one. Alright, show before just now. Yeah, so this one. Okay, with the USB type C. Right, this is the I would say the latest version. Okay, the latest version. So meaning you open this one. Okay, and this one USB type C. So if you give you a very fast speed, okay, very fast speed, this is the reason why they come out this type C. Okay, this one is the latest generation type C. Okay, well this one is the common one. Okay, that is the common one. See, let us see the length. It is same. I think same, 2 meter or 1 meter. I forgot. Yeah, same. You can see same length. I think it's 1 meter, 3 feet. Alright. So everything standard. So another one is the iPad for iPad. Okay. So today I'm showing you all the available. Okay. But all this USB. Okay, USB. So let's check. Actually, I have more cable than this. I never show it here. Okay. I just show three type different cable here. Okay. We can see the same thing, but give you different output. This one 20 watt. Okay. This one 10 watt. This one 5 watt. So some people say slow better because the battery not so easily get heat, and then the battery eventually won't so fast damage. Alright. But sometimes when you need quick charging, so you need to choose this type of charger. So normally it depends how you see. Alright, because sometimes some people say time is money. Okay, so they have no time to slowly wait. And not only that, because the capacity for the iPad is very big. So always you need to use the fast charging. Alright. So this one contain Chinese, Taiwan, China, and Vietnam, Malaysia. So it's the universal one. So you can see here a lot of model, because they differentiate by model. 2244, 2245, 2247, 2305. All these we need to know. Okay, 2344. You can refer to your box that they will mention. Example 2296. 2296 is the iPhone SE 2020. Yeah. Let me show you. Mm-hmm. 1723 is the iPhone SE first generation. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.